Welcome to your inventory page. This is the page where you can see various dashboards that show products and various information about products. By default, this page is going to show 50 products per page. Now you can change this setting by dropping down this menu and expanding up to 500 per page. Keep in mind that the more per page, the slower it will load because a lot of these columns actually require calculations. The next thing we want to talk about are the various dashboards on the top here. Each one of these is called a dashboard, and they're a pre-selected series of columns and filters depending on what data you're trying to look at. Like this is lost sales from stockouts, as you can see here. This is overstock in your 3PL. This is my inbound shipment report. And here's a list of products where I might stock out in the future. Every one of these is called a dashboard. The full list of default dashboards are found here using this drop-down menu. And you can feel free to explore those dashboards. Down here you can find your bulk actions. Bulk actions apply to when you select any number of products, and you can come up here and apply a bulk action, such as creating a favorite product, assigning to a warehouse, assigning a tag, etc. From this button, you can group by supplier, by warehouse, or by brand, and you might want to use those in some of your other dashboards. This button here shows you all of the columns that you can potentially use in any of your dashboards. There are a lot, so feel free to come in here and turn on or turn off columns at your discretion. This box here is our filters box. Basically how this works is you can choose a filter and a filter variable, and you can add additional filters in here. The filters usually relate to the columns and then a value. For example, our default dashboard is all active products, and there is only one filter, which is status is active. From here you can search by ASIN, by name, or by keyword, such as dog. Pulls up anything with dog in it. In some cases, it's better to filter than by searching for a keyword. Over here, you will find our export button, and this is where you can export whatever dashboard you are currently looking at, either in expanded view or collapsed view. Expanded view basically just means that it will put various marketplaces on different lines on your Excel spreadsheet. This will download in Excel, and you can do work on that further if you'd prefer. The inventory snapshot is kind of like a photograph of the data that was captured in SoStock on that day. And it starts recording from the day that your API pulls inventory numbers in from Amazon. And then it will move forward one day in chronological order, where the last day is at the very bottom. That was yesterday. The inventory snapshot will give you various information about how much inventory you had at FBA, inbound to FBA, at warehouses, inbound to warehouse, and a few other things. I'm not going to go into a deep explanation of the inventory snapshot in this video, but feel free to export it and explore it here. There's also some tutorials on that in our knowledge base. Lastly, we have the export inventory with breakdown by warehouses, which you can explore here. In the next video, we're going to discuss how to filter products and how to make products active or inactive or hidden depending on which views you are looking for. So you never have to look at products that you're no longer selling, but you also don't miss important products that you're trying to forecast.